Welcome to part 78 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning how to make appointments. This is essential for doctors, meetings, and business. Let's start with how to make an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment, please. Could I schedule a meeting for next week? I'd like to book a consultation on Thursday. Now, offering times. Would Tuesday at 3 p.m. work for you? How does Wednesday morning sound? I'm available on Monday or Thursday. Which is better for you? If a time works, yes, Tuesday at 3 is perfect. That works well for me. Great, I'll put that in my diary. If you need to propose another time, I'm afraid I'm busy then. Could we make it Thursday instead? Would the following week work? Sorry, I have a conflict. How about Friday afternoon? Now, how to confirm an appointment. I'm just calling to confirm our meeting tomorrow. Just a quick reminder, we're scheduled for 2 p.m. And how to reschedule. I'm so sorry, but I need to reschedule our appointment. Something has come up. Would it be possible to move it to Friday? I apologize for the short notice. Always apologize when you reschedule. It's polite. These phrases will work for any kind of appointment. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.